Ada yang udah tahu belum recomplex itu apa? Three recomplex apa? What's a recomplex? Ya, experience. Jadi recomplex itu retelling. Jadi menceritakan kembali experience seseorang. Retelling experience the reader. Ya, jadi menceritakan kembali. Dari sini, I have recount text and I want you to read the recount text and answer the questions given, okay? Jadi ibu mau kalian baca terus menjawab pertanyaan. I will give you 20 minutes to read and answer the question. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 20 minutes. Let's start from now. Okay, have you finished? Yeah? Okay, let's check the answer together. Number 1, what is an excursion? No, excursion. Coba dari kalimatnya, an excursion to Bogor Botanic Garden. Jadi ceritanya itu apa sih? Untuk meneliti. Kita perjalanan. Jadi excursion itu karya wisata. You know? Karya wisata kalau dalam bahasa Inggris berarti activity. Kemudian, when and how did they go to Bogor Botanic Garden? Want to answer? Siapa yang mau jawab? Ayo Putri dulu. On 16. Iya, pintar. On Friday, 16, belajar. Nomor 3, Adi sekarang. What time did they arrive at Bogor Botanic Garden? Jam berapa? Answer kedua. Yeah, good. And then, what group did the writer follow and who was the leader? Putri lagi. He or he was in group A. The leader is Mrs. Nina. Yeah, the leader is Mrs. Nina. Good. Sekarang nomor 5 itu complete the following sentences. Jadi kalian hanya perlu menulis ulang yang sudah ada di teks. You only need to write the sentence based on the text. Number 1, blah 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 to the old tropical plants. Adi coba baca. Sampai selesai sampai titik. First we went to the old tropical plants. Yeah, well, first we went to the old tropical plants. Jadi pertama kami pergi ke old itu apa? Old itu aneh, jadi yang unik. Old tropical plants, tanaman tropis yang unik. Contohnya apa sih kalau di Indonesia itu kayak durian kan di luar negeri kan gajah. Nah itu kayak gitu. Kemudian yang kedua, Putri. Then we look at our lovely plants. Yeah, then we look at all lovely plants. Bagus. Kemudian Adi. After that, we went to outdoor spot near the Raffles Cemetery and we had morning tea. Ya, habis itu pergi kemana? Raffles Cemetery itu apa? Yang itu loh. Cemetery apa? Grass. Jadi kayak spot. Raffles bunga rafflesia itu. Habis itu terus we had morning tea. Jadi itu menikmati teh. Oke? Sekarang Putri lagi. Next, we did some sketching. Ya, sketching itu apa? Sketching itu sketsa, tahu? Jadi gambar-gambar itu. Misalnya gambarnya dilihat apa, gambar. Itu sama sketching namanya. Sekarang ambil lagi. Then we went to look at the Lucian orchid. We went to look at the Lucian orchid. Yeah, good. But after 2, we have to put a verb or a noun. Ya. generic structures of recount text. Jadi generic structure recount text itu ada apa aja? Yang pertama, orientation. Nah, orientation itu who were involved in the story, when and where. Jadi menceritakan siapa, kapan, dan gimana. Coba sekarang toy here. Then when I throw it to someone, I throw it to Putri, I will mention the word in the first verb and you have to change it into the second verb and make a sentence. Jadi saya nanti melempar ke Putri, misalnya saya bilang verb pertama, Putri merubah ke bentuk kedua dan membuatnya di dalam sentence. Oke? Got it? Oke. Now let's try, ya. Nanti Putri melempar ke Aci, ya. Aci nanti melemparin aku. Itu terus ya mainannya. Take two sentence. I took and destroyed. Ya, bagus. Apa Putri ingin bikin verb satu? Terserah. Enjoy. Ini jadi nih. Enjoy. Jadi apa? Tujuannya. Tadi video. Regular. Jadi tambah isi aja. Jadi enjoy. Gitu ya. Sentence-nya.